Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And so today I have a slime package from Set to Slime by Amy. You guys should go you guys should go check out her Instagram. Like the slimes are $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, and $7 and $8. No, $7. Like it's $1 to $7, but like the more ones are like the newest ones are like a lot more. And yeah, I got two slimes. I got Cupid's Cloud and Cherry Butter Slime. Cherry Bomb Butter Slime. I got a Cloud Slime and a Butter Slime. My brother's like right here, and then he's like, when I said Cloud Slime. So yeah, right here. I have my.
Mira, can you give me a Fruit Loop?
Hopefully you didn't saw that, cause yeah. Anyways, you guys don't even know what state I live. Only the people who see this and goes to my school. Here, you open it. I can't. So let's get started. I'm so excited. So okay.
Excited.
Hallelujah. It smells. Oh!
What is it?
Okay, so it came with some.
What is it?
An extra bag.
Oh, Swedish
Extras, and then here's their thing. And then it says some slime care sheet. A bag of borax.
Oh my god.
And then I think some stickers. I don't know. And then Swedish fish. I love these, so thank you very much. Yeah, they came with borax. Yeah, I don't really mind if you guys like send me borax, because I have a lot at home. So let's get started. Oh, look at this. No. It's Cupid's Cloud and Cherry Bomb, Butter Bomb, and then these.
Oh yeah.
No, don't touch it.
I didn't.
Don't smell this so good. Oh my Jesus. Okay, let's just get started with this. Oh, it came with don't open that one.
No.
Okay, it came with a charm. I've never touched. Oh my god. It smells so good.
Is that butter slime?
Yeah.
¿Qué
Ma, huele esto. Huélelo.
¿Esa es la chingadera que querías?
Bueno.
Wait, let me do that trippy thing.
Whoa, wow.
No, I can't. Okay, so yeah. Oh my god, it smells so good.
Ow. Yeah, I can touch it.
Wash your hands.
Mm.
Okay, the next one.
Look it.
Butter slime. Oh, what? This one came with that, and that one didn't. Oh, that's cause
It's close.
¿Para ver a pellejos? Alan,
¿Qué?
¿me das pellejos?
No.
Ahí estaba yo, te miré, güey.
No.
Estaba allí contigo platicando. Oh
my God.
Wait, it's missing something.
Missing what?
Cause like in the website I saw.
Oh, look at how here's Gabriel.
Oh, never mind. I was saying it was missing this cherry thing, but I found it.
What?
It's a charm.
It feels weird.
I know.
Very weird.
Right here.
Good thing it doesn't stick.
Yeah, this is my first time also
Touching butter slime.
yeah.
What? It looks cool when it goes down. It's like very soft.
Oh, this one smells like cherry.
Yeah, I can smell it over here. From over here.
This smells like Fruit Loops.
Yeah, because...
Kind of.
Okay, I'm gonna put it back.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Yeah, I can't put it back.
Put it back.
How?
Wait, that's spread.
It's like itchy. I'm putting it piece by piece.
Just put it.
Okay.
And then push it down with the fingers. Don't think that rips. Doesn't.
I need to go wash my hands because it's very itchy. Honey, it's like itchy?
No.
A ver, mira, si cómo huele. Nomás por eso querías venir, mira, ya no por otra cosa.
I know.
No conociera yo a mi gente.
¿Esta?
Wow. Esa te da como comezón.
Adelante.
Wait, let
Que
me,
mira, pellejo, mira ya.
let me make a swirl. Mira, man, no los podíamos meter y los a veces metimos por allá enfrente.
¿Con la vera?
Ajá.
Y fue cuando nos miraron, Karina.
Sí. No, los miró porque no había nadie. Los miró porque abrieron la puerta del cuarto.
Oh. ¿Necesitaba el pelo de explosión?
No sé, no miramos.
No, yo creo que estaba en la cuna. Doesn't even hear nothing.
I want to make crackalackos.
Cause that would make a bubble like.
Look at, see?
Oh, that sucks.
This is so good.
Oh, very soft. You wanna know something funny? When you put it like that, it pops out.
Yeah, and it's like full, so that's good.
A ver, si negra. Vale conmigo a la tienda, voy a chequear mi teléfono. Que no sirve. Se escucha la bocina muy guangosa.
So thank you. So like this package, I will give it a
Mira, mira esta carita.
No.
Sí,
a
te
9 out of 10.
No.
Y que se me besaron. Y que no importa que te si enojó, Tailandia.
Yeah.
¿Y para qué le ponen esta puta bola aquí? A ver, toma.
So I love this one. Thank you.
Wow.
Leave it there. Thank you so much.
Ay, no.
Wow.
I thought it was gonna be melted. Cause it was, put it back.
Like put it right in your face. It makes you cough.
No.
Yes, it does. For me.
Where's the cherry thing? Oh, wait, it's in here.
Yeah.
And then it has these like pink glitters. So
You need some.
so good. Yeah.
You know,
Okay, so these are the things it came with. It came with
yeah,
2
together.
slimes, Cupid's Cloud, and Cherry Butter Bomb. Yeah, and it says down there, it says do not eat.
Ew.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh.
And then here are the extras.
What is that?
Oh, here is her slime account. Sentence Slime by Amy.
It's upside down.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
For them, it is. I'll put the name down below just in case you wanna go purchase some. You should, cause it's so good. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share. Wait, I wanna play with the cloud. Wait, what? I never saw this. Oh, it was stuck. It was
yeah.
right there. I'm like, wait, what?
I like this one, but I just don't like the smell. It's too strong.
Yeah, I'm surprised that it didn't make a mess, cause like cloud slimes make a mess.
Oh yeah, let's see that where the thing is. Hallelujah. Mira, ice cream.
Good thing this is not like an ugly color.
I like the color. It was blue and purple.
Oh, there we go, making a mess. Wait, I'm gonna try doing those things. Oh shoot.
Ew.
So yeah, I'm gonna give this slime 100 out of 100. You already touched it, and then it's gonna make you itch, and then you're gonna throw away all of the slimes.
I bet you will want to try.
So, where's it?
Pues el de Alan. Pensé que
Who
era
is
el
it?
de Mireya.
Who is
Yo
it?
los tengo cambiados.
¿No quieres?
So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah, bye. Bye.